Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and His Son Yahushua HaMashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo, and today is the 21st of March 2023. Right now the time is 11:07 a.m. I'm going to do a trade recap on my trade on soy futures. So just getting some context here. As you can see, we have a resistance level moving sideways for the past 5 sessions, right? So today we opened, let's see, we had some support here and we pushed up to the resistance zone, right? So let's see, opening up here the Camarilla R3 level. So you can see this is the Camarilla R3 right here at 1493, and we poked above that a little bit, well, a good distance, 3 points up, right? And I was looking at it, it's running into resistance right here, right? So let's see. So this is the resistance zone, and where we tapped that exactly right there. So I basically took like a front run the Camarilla R3 breakdown. So that was my trade today. Let's see here. Let's kind of break down the Camarilla setup. Alright, so previous day Camarilla R3 was at this level. That's previous day's Camarilla S3. So let's get some levels on that. So approximately 1468.6 was Camarilla S3, and approximately 1484.2 was Camarilla R3, right? So we have an overlapping higher value relationship where Camarilla S3 moved up to 1479 and Camarilla S3 moved up to 1479 and Camarilla R3 to 1493, right? So let's see here. Right, so the context of the trade is like it's a reversion from, or not reversion, but a rejection of this this resistance level right here. So let's see something here real quick. And basically it's a mean reversion trade as well. When you throw on the volume point of control, the volume profile, you can see we're coming out to the outer edges right here. And this is also Camarilla R4, right? So we didn't get up to there. Broke down this high volume node right here, which is that pinkish line, fuchsia-ish kind of pink, which is lining up with R3. So we got that breakdown here, and we came to another high volume node right here, right? So right now we're stopping around this area, and this is current price right here at 1484, right? So let's see here. Let me take a look at some of my trades. Right, so tried to go short here at 940 and it pushed up on me, right? So stopped out here at 1496. So first short was 1492.25 to stop out at 1496, right? So then when we broke down again on this big reversal candle right here, so kind of engulf finish candle, so took 3 shorts here at approximately 1494, 1493.75 and 1493, right? And then took a first partial here at 1488.75 at around 1010, and on the same candle right here 1490.75, right? And then came all out, took all off here at 1487, right, at 1030. So let's go over here to bookmap. Hold on. Right, so this is the setup here in the open. We pushed up here, and this is R1. So we pushed up here to around 1497. So on the first short, tried to go short, it pushed back up here to 1496, so I stopped out. And then my second short was around 945. Right, so let's just wait for bookmap to cooperate and open up. All right. 1494, 945. Right, so around this area here, I'm front running the Camarilla R3 breakdown. So let me just point that out. Right, so Camarilla R3 is at this level right here. Right, and my position, my first entries were around here, 1494. Where is it? Right around here. Right around here. Let me see if I could open that up a little bit. Right, so right around here on this retest is where I went short. Right, just above Camarilla R3. And got the breakdown. Came back, it retested here. Let's see, at 1495.75. So I actually entered, let me see here. Let me just go down to the 1 minute chart so I could get some exact times. Bear with me 1 second. So 941, right? So first trade was 941 around this level right here. Right here. So first trade was right here, right? 941. Second trade, second entry was at 1493 at 943. Right, so right here when it was exhausted, I went short again right here at 1493, but it pulled back. We retested this POC level right here, and then I added to the position when we lost that again at 1493.75 at 945. 1493.75. Right, so right here added to the position again and just wrote that down to, let's see here. Right, so the first partial was at 10:07, right? So let's see here, moving across. Right, so got the retest here of Camarilla R3. It pushed down, you see the exhaustion is happening right there. Let me just point that out. Right, so we have exhaustion at the top here, exhaustion again, more exhaustion. So the downtrend is working nicely. And that's what you want to see. You want to see exhaustion at the top of the ask, right? So let's see here. Right, so first partial 10:07 at 1488. 10:07. Right, so around here 1488. 10:07. Right, so when it got to this level here, we broke down on this level at 10:07. That's when I took my first partial, and this liquidity in the book here is pushing down on price, but these pullbacks, I was looking at it and I was thinking, okay, let me start taking some partials, right? Because let me just open this up a little bit. Right, so you see with this structure here at 10:06 and we push up, right? I just took my partial here at 10:07 at 14.88. Wait, where is it? Somewhere down here. 10:07, 14.88. Right, somewhere around here, right? Where is it? I just had it, man. Anyway, so just safeguarding here when we starting to push up. Took partial right there at the bottom when it broke back down. And let's see, moving along here, we pushed up at 10:08 to 14.90.75. 10:08 to 14.90.75. So actually, this is where I took a partial here as well. So this was the 10:07, 14.88, and then took another partial as it pushed up here. So let's see, moving along, we got a nice little breakdown here. We came down to the ETH IB high, and I took my partial here, well, all out at 14.87 at 10.27, right? So with us breaking down here and getting this kind of pattern, right? So we had the breakdown, big selling at the bottom here, but then we getting this reversal here, right? So it's kind of like a reversal pattern happening here, right? So that's why I took this partial, well, all out, sorry. I went all out here at 14.87 at what time? 10.27. So let's see here. Right, so right here when we pushed up to this level at 10.27, I was all out, right? So we had that reversal. Let's see what happened with price. Right, so we came up and tested just below this heavy liquidity right here. We didn't get up to it and we moved down again. So this is current price right now. It's looking like it'll probably try and get to that heavy liquidity right there, or it might reject off of this POC level, the trades counter POC. And if not, if we do break through this level right here at 14.91, we'll come back up to another heavy liquidity level, which is also lining up with the POC level here at R1, right? So let's see if we get this reversal back up to R3. So let me just make this smaller so you can see the structure. So we have this this bottom here at around 14.85. Then we came down here to 14.83, and now we're pushing back up. So if we break above this structure right here, get this liquidity. Let me just point that out. Right, so if we break above this liquidity, we could probably head to this heavy liquidity right here, which is also the volume session point of control, and R3 is at this level, so it would have to contend with that as well. So yeah, this could also be this could also be a setup right here to get another short for a continuation back down to like value area high or Camarilla S3. But I'm not gonna enter any more trades here. So let's see, let me just take a look. Right, so we're getting some buying coming into this, but then the selling is starting to kind of top off here, right? We have a little buying. Let me just open this up some more. So approaching the point of control, you're starting to see sellers take profit, right? So the guys who went long here, they're definitely looking at this right here as a take profit kind of zone, right? So liquidity is coming in the book. They're pressing down on the book. You see it's getting blue right here. So some liquidity is definitely coming in. And as price pushes up, it's pulling on the liquidity, so they could probably get up to here, right? So you see they're pushing up. We still got sellers in the mix though, so let's see if the sellers will come in here and push this back down to like the IBH, the ETH IB high. Now the buyers are looking strong. They're looking like they want to take it out. They're probably heading for like VWAP and this heavy liquidity up here. Alright y'all, so that's my trade recap on soy futures. It was a nice trade. Let's see here. Right, so netted that profit right there. And this is my Apex Trader funding account. I'm doing my evaluation account. This is my 300k account, so my target is 20,000 to get funded. So this is just chipping away at that. And I also have another 150k account, which is almost a target, which the target was 9,000, so I'm 2,500 away on that one. So if you want to get a discount link, I have a 50% discount link in the description, and you could try and get funded yourself, you know what I'm saying? So it's a good deal for me. On the 150k account, I only did one payment so far on the subscription, and I'm almost funded. So I've been doing some good trading over the past month and almost hit my target. So probably in the next month or so, not putting any pressure on myself, I'll probably hit my target. But if I keep on trading as good as I am right now, I'll probably get there before the end of the month. You know what I mean? Well, not before the end of the month, before a month's time. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to check out the Apex Trader funding, check out the link in the description. Go on the website and you can see which account you want to take. You don't have to take like big accounts. You could get like 50k, which is a way smaller target to get funded. So it's up to you. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. It's Malak Shalomo, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.